Hello. We're wearing the black shirt today. Black shirt. We're gonna go to a dance studio. I'm so excited for the dance studio. And we're gonna learn a choreo by one of the choreographers at SM. Yep, you heard it right. SMTOWN. Okay, anyways. Okay, so we got Naomi. Sea drink. Vitamin drink. What is this for?
Gives you vitamin C. Thank you for sponsoring us.
I do a drink commercial. Can you do a slow motion here, volcano? Just add a slow motion. Okay, flip again. We are going to Gangnam. What are we going to? We are going to Gangnam, and we're gonna visit more places around, and then we're going to that studio. I'm so excited.
Choreographer.
I don't know, but it's from SM, and I'm really excited. Hell excited. I've been waiting for this all. I've been waiting for this for 2 months.
She got her hoop earrings on. She's so ready for the set.
I'm ready. I got my Adidas pants. Oh, sexy.
So sexy.
Yes. Okay.
We're gonna go see EXO right now.
EXO is SM?
SM is EXO is SM.
Oh. Good. The painting, she's so cute. That's so cute. Ooh, guess who those are? Ooh, Velvet too. That's a pretty angle from here.
Like their concerts and like their showcase and like music video.
The whole wall is just made of pictures. Wow. I really like this wall. Amber. Girl, I saw you in LA and you did not say hi. I'm sorry, but I'm low-key salty about you. I know you were busy, but man, just could have said like, I'm sorry, man. I'm busy. That's all you had to say. I would have understood. But it's okay. It's not okay.
We're not talking. Good damn.
we're getting tickets right now for the theater, which I don't really know what to expect with the theater. Museum, I'm probably expecting like the sets of the SMV.
Okay, we get our tickets and this is our tags. We got I think we all got NCT, did we?
No.
Oh, perfect.
Ah, mine is on.
Hello guys, we are back again with the camera because we couldn't film inside. There was no cameras allowed, only phone cameras, which is weird. But I shot some videos with my phone, so the quality might be a little bit bad, but hopefully that makes it up for the lost content. And hello, how you doing? So we got a few things. The other girls are still inside looking, and it was like really nice. There was a lot of artists. Hello guys, we just finished touring around the museum. Just wait for them. Okay. How do you guys like the museum?
The museum?
Yeah.
It's nice seeing like all the timelines. It makes you feel like nostalgic, like when the first debut up until like where they are now, and some of like the costumes. Seeing it in person is cool.
Yeah. Look at Haewon. It's so nice. You don't want a Coke?
Oh, I will drink it.
Shrimp beef burger.
Oh, shrimp beef burger?
Yeah, shrimp beef burger.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, this is spicy chicken. I think mine is spicy.
We got Coke. Okay. Everybody's grabbing their food. Yay. Yeah, we
We're more space.
We don't have space, but we can fit in space.
It's kind of squished on.
Oh, where's my salad? Okay, so I'm vegetarian, guys, so I get a salad. Fun times.
Your half?
Eat well, guys. I love you.
So, Korean McDonald's.
Oh. Hello, guys. It's me again. It's a Krispy Kreme. Oh, there is a Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. We're going up the hill like usual in Korea. You just go up hills. And I think we're going to the dance studio to learn a choreo by one of the choreographers from EXO, JBJ, Super Juniors. I forgot what the list. There was a list. But yeah, I'm super excited. Like really excited. Someone's car is like, oh, that's scary.
I know.
Oh, mulnaengmyeon.
I want.
Oh, that's made like buksu. Never mind.
But I want
naengmyeon. I want naengmyeon. Naengmyeon sounds so good right now. It's kind of hot. Oh, this is a hotel. Oh, are those the love hotels? Are those the love hotels?
I know, me too. I want to touch.
They look like the love hotels. What the heck? Oh, sure. Yes, it is a love hotel. Haewon. Is this a love hotel?
Yeah, I told Naomi and she was like,
Oh, I know. So I know. I'm like, it looks like the love hotel, and I'm like, oh, it is a motel. Why we got so excited about it? I think this is like my highlights of the trip. So excited. So excited, guys.
Probably better if it's
I think it's a boy song, guys.
so it's
wearing sneakers or running shoes is fine, but any dress shoes are not allowed.
We made it! We made it to the dance studio. You can see right here. It's the South Seoul Dance School. So here, that's the team. We have mirrors! So we're gonna practice for our show.
What are we doing? Goddamn, Takara. What are we doing, guys?
We're waiting to meet the choreographers. In the meantime,
Between we have Indonesia team, we got Korea team, and we're just taking turns on practicing. So funny note, we'll be learning a choreography for 30 minutes, and the rest of the 30 minutes he's gonna judge our performance. So I'm so nervous. filming. Sorry.
We met.
Hey back. How are you guys feeling?
Tired.
Tired. We're really tired. Yes, we just learned KPop.
We did KPop.
As for the choreographer, and yeah, it was pretty nice. The choreographer saw our performance, so we have to take into consideration a lot of his advice, and we have to work harder for that. So yeah, that's Haewon, Naomi. Where are we going now, guys? Samgyeopsal. We're getting samgyeopsal.
Hopefully they.
Yes. Oh. Hi, we're going. Oh, watch out for the Love Hotel. Love Hotel. They did so good. The performance was so good.
감사합니다.
They're so charismatic and like very like cute, and it was so nice. Acting was so good. Acting was really good with this team. I'm impressed. Good job, guys.
We will have dinner right now.
Yes.
Yes.
We're getting dinner. Yeah, we came down to eat, guys. Eating. I think we're getting some yeokjal, and I'm getting mulnaengmyeon because I'm vegetarian. Oh yes. Goddamn, Takara.
That's my opening line.
That's your opening line. Every time, like, goddamn, Takara. Samgyeopsal. Samgyeopsal.
This is sesame oil.
Look at the mix, guys. Something that you will never get. What?
It's selfie day. Every day is selfie day.
Not for me.
Not me.
I was like, why they give me to the vegetarian, guys? Thanks. So look at the meats, guys. Yeah.
It looks fun, you guys. Just eat it off. Can we have one more of that?
Takara and I got food. We got mulnaengmyeon. First time meeting mulnaengmyeon for Takara. Yeah. She needs her own mukbang. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Bye bye. So we finished eating. How was the food?
So great.
Good. Hey guys, we're at the hotel now. Naomi just finished doing her nails, and everyone just finished showering, so we're just gonna call it a night, and we have a long day ahead of us tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.